When we first listen to the topic history of mathematics, first comes to our mind is what is history of mathematics and why we should study history of mathematics. Like as I said, there are many excellent reasons to study the history of mathematics. It helps students develop a deeper understanding of the mathematical concepts they have already studied by seeing how it was developed and over time and these various places. Like a student performing a mathematical calculations can derive subjects from historical implications that this subject has been historically established and we can further continue with it. Like it encourages creative and flexible thinking by allowing students to see historical evidence that there are different and perfectly valid ways to view concepts and to carry out computations. That historical concepts, they are perfectly valid, they are perfectly established, they are perfectly computed. Ideally, the history of mathematics course should be a part of every mathematics subject and course. Next slide. Okay, objectives of this topic. So, integration of ideas usually found in different mathematics courses, like I am talking about history of mathematics. It's very clear that history of mathematics is related to the mathematical subject, math subject. Like integration of various mathematical calculations, like history of mathematics, the laws of Archimedes, the laws of Aryabhatta, the laws of Ramanujan. From them we derive today's solutions and questions. Multiple representations of concepts and multiple ways of understanding them. See, mathematics is the father of all subjects. The basic motive of establishing mathematics was to decode everything in a scientific way and in a easy way. Generalizing from examples to more and more abstract categorization of ideas. Like mathematical concepts easily describe abstract ideas. Written and oral communication of mathematical ideas and techniques. The objectives and outcomes of math history courses also include critical, creative and flexible thinking. An appreciation for the beauty and joy of mathematics. Next slide. Okay. Now we all know that mathematics is one of the oldest and most fundamental sciences that played a crucial role in shaping our world. Like, see, there's a famous line, a famous dialogue from a famous movie, iconic movie from 3 Idiots. I'm not telling that exact dialogue. Everything is machine. And machine is being established by mathematics. Machine is an integral part of mathematics. The history of mathematics can be traced back to ancient times as evolved to become one of the most important components of modern day society. For instance, Babylonians developed a number system based on 60, which allowed them to perform complex calculations and deduce astronomical observations. See, Babylonian society, Babylonian civilization was very old. Till then, people were studying astronomical calculations. People were deriving astronomical calculations on the basis of the subject mathematics. So see, it's such a powerful subject. Next slide. Now, one of the biggest incidents that shaped the world, that helped the world believe that mathematics can be the only tool to defend a country, to fight for a country, is mathematics. Like the defense of Syracuse by Archimedes. When pro-Roman king of Syracuse died, the republic was formed to rule the city. The government rejected Rome and declared war against them. As a result, Roman army led by Marcus arrived to lay siege on Syracuse. Now, what Archimedes did was, Archimedes devised several countermeasures against their enemy to protect the city from the Romans. Using his knowledge and skills, he derived difficult and different catapults that could automatically attack the battleships that entered the city of Syracuse. Next slide. See, this is the perfect example, like he derived certain catapults and certain bridges that could automatically throw when a battleship arrives and fires. Next slide. So this is a graphical representation of life before knowing mathematics, a student before knowing mathematics and a student after knowing mathematics, including various factors like writing, counting, coloring, drawing, knowing time, buying, solving problems and blah blah. Next slide. Okay. The significance The significance of mathematics in students and teachers is that it helps develop students and teachers both a positive attitude. Mathematics is all about logical science. You logically prove something, that is mathematics. So it also provides them with a critical look towards the discipline and pushing aside commonplace perspectives. See, mathematics is a very tough subject. It requires immense concentration, dedication and discipline. If you are a student of mathematics, you have to be disciplined. Discipline is an automatic outcome of learning mathematics. Additionally, the history of mathematics helps students, teachers understand the process of creation of mathematics. That's quite natural. Revealing essence of the spirit of mathematicians and humanistic value of the subject. Next. Conclusion. In conclusion, history of mathematics is by far one of the most integral part of mathematics that a person or any student or anyone should study to know the world deeply. Mathematics is the only subject that shaped the world. Various incidents happened only due to mathematics. World War I, World War II, the recent movie by Christopher Nolan, Robert J. Oppenheimer, who developed nuclear atomic bombs by mathematics and physics. So that's all. These are the references. First one is of a book and let's see what any questions?
क्वेश्चन नहीं करो ठीक है नेक्स्ट
The question.
पढ़ो
I have two simple questions. Who found zero and who invented zero?
Found zero.
And who invented zero?
Brahmagupta found zero. I guess.
Aryabhatta.
Brahmagupta found zero. Aryabhatta invented zero. If I'm not wrong. Sir, কি বলো? ব্রহ্মপুত্র তো ফাউন্ড করেছে না, আর্যভট্ট তো ইনভেন্ট করেছে।
ধারণা দিয়েছিল একজন। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ স্যার কেটে দেবো স্যার।